Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good. Today I'm planning to talk about the use of is, am, and are, how these words, let's say the modals, auxiliaries, are used in English sentences. Let's talk about am first. If the subject is I, then we use am, but the situation should be either progressive or it should be used to describe about the subject. Example, we will talk. For example, I am a teacher. Here am is used to link I and a teacher. It means this teacher is the adjective of I. That is why this am is linking subject and the predicate. It means this predicate is telling something about the subject and am is used as the linker here. Next we have is. If the subject is third person singular, then we use is. Third person singular means, for example, I is first person, you is second person, and he is third person. Here he, you can see in the example, he is a singular, and to say something about this subject is used, is used as a linker, and student is a predicate here. Between predicate and the subject, the is used as a linker. For that, here subject should be singular. That must be in third person. Okay. Next we have are. Are is used if the subject is plural. For example, they, here they is the plural subject, are my friends. Here plural subject are, are is used to link the plural subject, with the plural predicate. Okay. There are two cases in which we can use this is, am, and are. Case 1, we use to describe the progressive actions or situation. The things which are happening at the time are known as the progressive actions. For example, I is used. Here the use of I am writing. It means the subject, any person, for example, I am writing. Okay, it is happening at the time. Here he again is singular subject, singular third person subject, and is the linker here. Here he is reading. This is also progressive action, but here he is the singular third person, that is why he is used. Similarly, they are listening. They is the plural subject, that is why we have used are here, and listening means the action is taking place at the time, means it is progressive action. let's talk about the case 2. In case 2, am is and are used to say something about the subject. For example, I am a writer. Here, am is used to link I and a writer. It means writer is the description of I, and to say something about I, am is used. You can see I am a writer. Similarly, he is a student. Here is used to say something about the subject. Okay, that is singular third person. Similarly, they is plural subject, that is why are is used to say something about they are children, means these subjects are children here. Okay, and this much for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment on the video. See you soon.